Yes, terminus. Okay. President Mahama should occasion a forensic audit into the Ofankor Nsawam road. Okay. Menka so be a sika. Ba akwa bibi twetwema so kakra. Me you say to me nika Prez ba na say me wa me bank access bank my free advert mom. Na kwa so to be na 3 cedi 7 cedi bi to ya no from chairman for ade 100 cedis na 73 o ma chirem o we bia o ATM card e bia ye say akwa na ncha me kasa say President Mahama call amafo nti ni e Ofankor some road no say kwa we na miri bi VIP bus duwa na ka na nipa bomu me say akra kuma say 7 hours o kwaje visa akra na akwa du so koda ho kope hotel bi dansa no akọ emwa emrante be brom timi no moyere mu na nyina ye Nsawam Ofankor
so beba na sisi nyina akra so asanse beda ye adwuma
timize kamenya Dr. Amuzu onko bie branch ho
ho ne de o mu hia mo
omumie branch
obefa kwan no so bia nkoduru ana ja o ma ye no o ma firi no kama
research na ya pick data na fe ne ye collect dia me se memum tim no mere no da na ye
oba wonyim so okofa so ba na se firi no hwesa
na kwa to the most substantive matter President Mahama kwa and see let's quote the president or say President John Dramani Mahama has directed Maripoma Enterprise Limited to speed up work on the Ofankor Nsawam dualization project and uphold strict quality standards during a visit to the project site on Wednesday. Was a company where a contractor no. President Mahama said all man and yaman konanim na 33.4 kilometer dual carriage near Nsawam Ofankor. Enfa will leave Obram Crawford. Then so to a time. Na say na ba mo ko so mutimi dwi e kwan no aye kama. Na kokwa me say Mahama should do a forensic audit.
Right.
Keep that in your mind. Na kokwa shade was say touring the 33.4 kilometer corridor, the president also instructed the contractor to strengthen traffic management to keep people and goods moving along the Accra Kumasi highway, a critical national corridor. It's a percentage analysis.
Yeah, appreciate you say
a critical national corridor. This is the president. And if I fact, story man fan baby, I'm found at the presidency.com.
Okay.
Because because the city, my miss go to no. Because the graphic, my miss go to no. My journal because my miss go to no. Ghana web, my miss go to no. Then I'm a co-presidency for let's go attend Troy. Okay. I will go to president to say a loan was taken for this project. I don't understand why the money is finished and the project is not over. We are having to pay a supplementary amount equivalent to almost $78 million from the government of Ghana funds, he said. And I quote you be now the shepherdess and as a committee man. It means that you are quoting exactly what the person said. You are not paraphrasing. And to almost President Mahama kono say ya kwaje besian de be ya Ofankor Nsawam kwan no sika no asa but the kwan no ye wie
onti ase de nti sika na asa na kwan no so ye wie
and akokwa decided to go through data oko ir.parliament
okay
all the repository of parliamentary reports ewo ho
okay
it na me be na enye magic
okay
enye bibi bia ir.parliament
okay
information in Ababa Ghana baby or report to be a hands and your pibia ewo because parliament is the house of records.
Yeah.
Na kokwa enuna asenso buachi this statement by say president as a brief on one kind because project no sika no sign.
Yeah.
Na project no enye say sika ni nya na ekogie akokwa hade. Oko Ministry of Roads website the cost of the Ofankor Nsawam dual carriage no was $346.47 million. Enti loan na President Mahama aka na yekoje sen. Agwacha say cost ni dia yekoje sen. And I don't want to give you one source. I want to give you multiple sources. Akokwa oko Ministry of Roads and Highways. Na me pick officials when it comes to this analysis. As of November 8, 2022, akokwa hade. Ebro then Roads Minister Kwesi Mwakwata, former member of parliament at Tiwa West or Kokwana, they say the 2-year project expected to be ready by July 2024 is funded by the government of Ghana and is being undertaken by Maripoma Enterprise Limited at the cost of $342.48 million. One issue you are here. Prices no issue you are
right.
Oko Ministry of Roads website 3 years ago November, any 3 years ago, November mu. Akokwa. project cost no mu quote no $34248 million. $34248 million. But to call the handing over note I mean who acceptor 346.47. Okay, what's the amount in that? 346.
Right.
Aha. Minute in our website 342. Did you go back na cost no?
342.
Cost of the project now.
In the currency, you know.
Where dollars?
Where dollars?
Where the USD? Where 8 million cedis. It can be cedis.
That is what I'm looking.
It can be cedis.
It would have
dollars.
A mistake.
Yes, dollars. It can be cedis.
But even at all, if it's 342.48,
and away 346.
And okay, error. Eugene, come back. Okay, we know there should be a dot.
There should be a dot there. Yes.
But
the bigger question is that the president says yakwaji sika for kwan no sika na san yenye kwan na bansa between $78 million. Now this is why I said there should be an audit. Asenso was right, spot on.
Okay.
Loan no mo kwaji Afrexim bank no. Na ye $750 million. Abam obiza dan yan tro say part of insurance we read the parliamentary document. So the 750 no they committed $200 million to the project.
So the 750 million was for several projects.
Akokwa amon mo yes argument. No mo so mo catch say so am interchange na ye bo budget $47 million ana.
It will be more than that.
Exactly. So they don't need to write part of Swami interchange.
Part of the cost.
They don't need to write that in this graph.
Okay.
They make hands at here.
Yeah.
So it was $200 million, meaning that the project mama had 3 sources. So if the project is over $300 million, meaning that there was a surplus you have to pay of about $140 million. But my issue is a president mama call no. And the kwana kwakwa enye video bi ane nsu agiri wonom no. $200 million na dua be na ye na mpese ye forensic audit be mu no. Akwa make out at here. Now again 78 din so ayetua no. We need to track it.
Yeah.
Kwa maybe on the surface menya contractor menya bibia. But I believe if the president had cause to complain, and I've said that Sensor is right.
Yeah.
Based on the parliamentary data.
Yeah.
Say $200 million dedicated for Afrexim. Akwa project bi akakra no amanfo asem mo ka chem say dodo na yenye. Akwa all the 11 projects na me hear me personal channel no. Most of the people complain that I just konongo. We need to check. And say ma peja so interchange. Flower pot interchange. We need to audit all these things.
So Eugene, Ofankor Nsawam ye 200 million.
Yes.
Not just say asensuji to me say ebai.
Yes, can number.
Use.
Yes.
Yeah. Then we may actually assume say niaka no nyina nso buy.
Yes.
The paper isu nyina.
Scanning nankasa buy o.
It is say we need to assess these routes.
And I'm say forensic audit emremu no.
Yes, very necessary because $75 million ejo so konongo.
Akwa ni minute amekasa. President Mahama call ye no. O kind statement na tieni o say ekwan no my about 75%. Akwa say kwan ye 200 em say even $350 million na.
Okay.
200 million divided by 350 million times 100. 55%. Yet you have 78 million. And the 278 million divided by 350, right? Times 100%. It's about 78%. Almost 80% done. There's a shortfall about 5% of work. Monsieur Rose Minister. Rostanamwa gave him the same question to him. Friday, yeah. He also realized that there seemed to be a shortfall. There need to be a forensic audit. Not just the Ofankor Nsawam road. Every single road project.
Yeah.
Every single one of them.
Because at the end of the day, during transition, no, they will be informed of the state of the project.
Yeah.
Status edru.
Yeah.
Maybe a 70% complete, 60% complete. So that you bet me a compare who says you use 75 million for a Josu Konongo. Now you see 80%. We should expect say Sabri the cannot be a kit. And people can be
yeah. O kaisa to force in so buy no road contractors there to mo the brain no.
Enyasem getwa
okoye evaluation in the budget no kai. Next point say obu o wa we scan ya maniska won san beje foforo obu nso a ready fraudulent certificate let's do this. Men can't so be a disika. I don't have evidence. All that I'm saying is there be a kokwabe kunkwane be a politician e disika no. Contractor na wo ye duma no. Wa ye jiri go bi wom. E na o man ye kotu adobo man akoko $1. Koma ye kotu ska, ye kotu boom $346 million akokwa.
Sure.
Tie hwehwem. Unim so ota akokwa ma me just 3 minutes.
Right. Na ye mfa nwi.
Na wie we. Akwa papa